Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So already this video is starting off to be a shit show, so it's probably gonna be a really short one and a very non-professional, normal looking one, just because Ivan's a little brat and he's over there making the cats hiss and everything. But the video is about him today because we are opening, we are opening the January BARKBOX. Please ignore anything that you may hear in the background. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and open this and maybe he'll just make his way over here when he sees treats in the like. So the theme is medieval, so let's get into it. All right, take two, crown your dog. Pop out the crown, connect both ends of the crown using hook and slot. Post a photo of your royal highness with King Arthur hashtag. Yeah, that ain't happening. So this is a cardboard crown. You're supposed to pop it out and put it on his head, but knowing Ivan here, that's a lost cause. So we're not even gonna try it. All right, so, excuse me. Can we jump on the counters normally? No, sit. All right, so let's pull out the treats first, and then we can, let's pull out the treats first, and then we can get onto the toys, which are his favorite parts. So, all right, so this month, we have a lot of treats that look like they're the same as past months, which is fine, because he likes those things. Ooh, he'll really like this one. All right, so this one, I have to have him on a leash because he's been chasing a cat, so that's why he's like staying close, is because he's on a leash. So anyway, this treat, sit. So this treat is Le Petit treat. It's a pate kind of treat. Interesting looking. It is peanut butter and apple, which he does like peanut butter and apple, so I think he'll really like this one. Again, as always, it is grain-free and all natural, so they're little heart shapes, and I think he'll really enjoy these. The next one is a dynamic Chuo tuna and chicken dog snack, made in the US, wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free dog snacks. Again, something that I think he'll really like. So they're not as pretty as the peanut butter and apple one, but doesn't matter, it's going to the same place. Then we got another one of this, we got another one of these Butcher's block bones, natural crunchy tube. Do not use on carpets. Ew. And it's beef. Again, I always think these things look like an esophagus, so that's gross. He still hasn't eaten the one in the last box he got, so I'm not sure I'm gonna give him this. I don't know, it just seems like a really easy way to get choked. This one, on the other hand, premium buffalo chew. He may get this one. I think he got the last one and he liked it eventually. It took him a while to warm up to the idea, but I think he'll like it. This one doesn't worry me as much. This one just seems like there are a lot of sharp pieces that could come out and like puncture his esophagus. This one, not so much. Like, he could break these into smaller pieces and it's solid. So that one doesn't worry me as much as the esophagus looking thing does. All right, so those are the treats for this month. So since the theme is medieval, we got some medieval toys. Ooh, that one's gonna be a bad one already, I can tell. Anything with a squeaker doesn't usually make it. Yeah, see, we're already looking forward to it. Yeah. So anything with the squeaker usually doesn't last with Ivan. He somehow will get the squeaker out. But this is a Winchester castle. You can definitely tell here in the middle that it's a little bit more flimsy than like up here at the ends. So he might be able to chew through these. I don't know, but we'll see. This is a nice size too. See, it looks like a little castle, which is pretty cute. This is a nice size too because the shape of it, he can just put it in his mouth like that. It's not any weird shaped thing, so I think he'll like it. I just don't think that one's gonna last as much as like the penguin that he got in one box and the snowman he got in another box. It might meet its demise, unlike those things. And then the other toy got, what is this? How does this work? It is a Excalibur Sword. Excalibur Sword. Does the sword come out? No. But the sword is plastic. And then this part, I mean, it's all plastic, but like this one is a little bit more chewy plastic, like rubbery. Whereas this one is like hard plastic. So I'm not sure about that one, but like, okay, so it says in here, nylon sword and tough rubber. So he might like this one. As long as the sword isn't supposed to like come out or anything, he might like it. But yeah, What do you think of this? And then on the inside, creating an epic tale starring your valiant dog. Follow the instructions to fill in the blanks. Oh, it's a Mad Lib. That's kind of cool. It's like a little decree. The tale of blah, blah, blah. So that's pretty cute. I'm not gonna take the time to do that, but that's pretty adorable. Really like this theme. I like the medieval theme, so I'm gonna go ahead and give him the castle and see if he likes that. Maybe I'll give him the castle because there's a piece of plastic stuck in there. I don't want him to have that. I don't want him to get this plastic and then hurt himself. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, come here. Sit. Good boy, like that? See, perfect size for his mouth. Now he has no idea what to do with it because it doesn't have his slobber on it yet, but once he's played with that one for a bit, I'll give him this one. This one's just such a weird shape. Like, it's a cool toy, but it's a weird shape, so I don't know what he'll do with that. Oh yeah, we're chewing the heck out of that castle tower right now. I really think he'll like these treats a lot. He loves anything peanut butter. He also really likes apples. The only problem with apples is that sometimes they give him the runs, but I'm hoping because it's with the peanut butter, it won't happen. Because peanut butter sometimes backs him up. So maybe the two together, it'll just be a perfect shit, right? Right, I can hope. A pet mom can hope, right? This one I think he'll really like. I don't know about this one. Like, he likes chicken, but he's never had fish before. So I don't know what he'll think of the tuna flavor. Not sure. And again, these things always scare me, so we'll see. This is gonna be one of those things where I have to be in the room while he's chewing on it. Like, if I give him a treat like this, I'll just give him a treat and he's pretty fine with it. But this one, I'm gonna have to keep a close eye on him to make sure everything's okay. But that's it for this BARKBOX Super Chewer unboxing. Sorry for the weird setup, but I didn't wanna go get my big camera, so I have like my secondary camera set up at my kitchen table, and it's a nice day out, so I was like, yeah, get a little natural sunlight coming in here. Well, also artificial, but some natural. Yeah, we're going to town on that castle right now. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I would really, really, really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.